Hi, I'm Lucas from MEDEL. Today we have 90 seconds to unbox the new Rondo 2. So let's start the clock. Rondo 2 comes with a lot of covers, accessories and other things. So we have a pretty huge box here to fit it all in. And here it is, the brand new Rondo 2. Small, lighter and more stylish than ever before. Underneath, we have the fine-tuner remote control and the all-important design covers. We've got 4 neutral shades here. For the more colorful design covers, check out our website, medel.com/rondo2. This looks like just a case, but if you open it up, it's actually for the wireless charger for powering up the Rondo 2. And of course, the Rondo 2 fits in the case too. Here we have all the manuals and documents. Important stuff here, be sure to look through it all. How long left? Only a couple of seconds to go. These little boxes contain yet more accessories, such as the hair clip or the cloth clip and the mini battery pack for powering Rondo 2 on the go. And right down here at the bottom, we have some adapters and accessories for the fine tuner, but also the Abrণ free Bluetooth neck clip, which you can use to hear better with Rondo 2 on the phone or watching TV. And it all comes in this stylish metal backpack. So there you have it, stop the clock. The new Rondo 2 in under 90 seconds. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
To charge Rondo 2, first plug in the charging pad. Place Rondo 2 in the exact center of the charging pad, with the MEDEL logo facing upwards. The orange indicator light shows that Rondo 2 is charging. When the light goes off, Rondo 2 is ready to use. This should take around 4 hours. We recommend charging your Rondo 2 fully each night. Press the round button on the top of Rondo 2 to switch it on. Rondo 2 should be placed over your implant with the MEDEL logo against your head and the microphone facing upwards. Insert your fingernail into the groove between the processor and the cover. Gently lift up the cover. Check out the whole range of design covers at medel.com/Rondo2. Position the new cover over the processor and push it down until it snaps into place. The cover should be changed every 3 months to keep Rondo 2 in good working order. Check that both your hands and the WaterWear cover are clean and dry. Hold Rondo 2 with the MEDEL logo facing upwards. Insert it microphone first into the cover. Take the flap at the bottom and pull the rest of the cover over the processor. Make sure the cover fits snugly around the processor without any wrinkles or air bubbles. Place the round adhesive strip over the flat side of the processor, starting at the bottom. There should be no gaps between the strip and the cover. Check that the processor is sealed on all sides by WaterWear and that there are no wrinkles or air bubbles. We recommend using an additional fixation device while swimming, such as a swimming cap. To remove WaterWear, gently peel off the adhesive strip and discard. Use the circular flap to remove the cover from the processor. Each adhesive strip can be used only once. but each WaterWear cover can be used up to 3 times. There are 2 types of clip, the hair attachment clip and the clothes attachment clip. Both are attached to Rondo 2 in the same way. Remove the cover from the audio processor. Push the circular end of the leash into the matching groove at the bottom of the processor. Replace the cover, securing the leash in place. Clip to your hair or clothes. Sync your Bluetooth phone or other device with your Bluetooth neck loop, using the manufacturer's instructions. Place the neck loop around your neck. Press the MT or T button on your fine tuner to start streaming. The T mode provides sound input only from your Bluetooth neck loop. The MT mode provides a balance of signal from the neck loop and the Rondo 2 microphone. Rondo 2 has several indicator lights. These tell you information about your audio processor. When turning on Rondo 2, the blue indicator light shows which program is selected. 1 blue blink indicates that program 1 is selected. 2 blue blinks indicate that program 2 is selected. 3 blue blinks indicate that program 3 is selected. 4 blue blinks indicate that program 4 is selected. If the optional status light is activated, a short blue blink will blink every 3.5 seconds to show that Rondo 2 is working properly. When using the Fine Tuner remote with your Rondo 2, the blue light will blink shortly every time a Fine Tuner command is received by your processor. A continuous blue light indicates that either minimum or maximum volume or microphone sensitivity has been reached. A rapidly blinking blue indicator light shows that Rondo 2 needs charging. If the link check function is activated, the green indicator light will blink 3 times when Rondo 2 is placed over the implant. This shows that Rondo 2 is working correctly and is communicating with your implant. If you have a C40 or C40 Plus implant, the green light will blink quickly once. This shows that your processor is working correctly. If the red indicator light blinks repeatedly, Rondo 2 is positioned over the wrong implant. Ensure Rondo 2 is positioned over the correct implant. Short red blinks 10 seconds apart indicate Rondo 2 has powered off. Turn it off and on again and reposition it over the implant. Any other indicator light signals suggest that there may be a technical issue with your Rondo 2. Contact your CI center for further assistance. The speech processor test device shows if your Rondo 2 is working correctly or not. Switch on your Rondo 2. Place the flat side of Rondo 2 under the speech processor test device. Speak into the microphone. The indicator light should flicker to the rhythm of your voice. If the indicator light doesn't flicker, adjust the volume of your voice. If it still doesn't flicker, completely charge your processor. Switch it on, then speak into the microphone again. If your Rondo 2 still isn't working, or for immediate assistance, contact your CI center. Insert a AAA battery or decapo power pack into the mini battery pack. Pull gently on the rubber socket cover at the bottom of the processor to open the mini battery pack port. Plug the mini battery pack cable into Rondo 2. Plug the other end of the cable into the mini battery pack and switch it on. The mini battery pack can then be attached to clothing or worn in the pouch provided.